pa. Last one. Last one here. Yes. Yan. Yan. Last one. Ano, dito na lang. Okay, sige. Okay, sit down. Next is Cody. Come here, Cody. Okay, Cody. What is your name? What is it? My name is... Very good. How old are you? Very good. Okay, sulat natin yung name. Let's write your name here. Cody. Let's write Cody. So, it starts with letter C. And then, O. Okay, you trace it. Trace it. Trace more. You follow the line.